Yeah. We got. Yeah. What it do? Squad, mob. I'm a dream chaser, stuck up in the trap, but I'm having nightmares, so I'm shooting with my gat. Yeah, got my crew, they wolves, and you know that a nigga straight ahead of the pack. Move one thing, two things, like green eggs and ham, or like cat in the hat. Call me Uncle Sam, nah, nigga, call me motherfucking Uncle Tim, nigga, like that. Got guns at the top, nigga talk shit, but I've been at the drop. Yeah, fuck cops, don't give a shit, nigga talk shit in the parking lot, get clocked. Nigga talk a lot of shit now, got my precise aim, bitch, like my name Cyclops. I don't give a shit about you, yeah, you know how it is, get down and lay down, who get got, get shot. Nigga hit the block like who got ops. I don't know you and you don't know me. There's not too many options how we get out. Yeah, you know that you gotta hustle hard. Yeah, you gotta get the come up. Yeah, get sun down to sun up. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but you know we want it. Don't give a shit if it's beef, couldn't come front it. Niggas talk a lot of shit, too high in the sky, so you know that we staying blunted. Don't give a damn about them niggas. Nah, nigga at the top of that shit. I'm at the summit, and the battle never plummet. Battle never plummet, praying to God, nigga, why you mad? I'm the shit, and that's that feeling, you can't stomach. Oh, you know that she want it. I give it a long day, she say she feel it in her stomach. She say that she be loving it, say that she be loving it. She love the fucking shake the way on top, she be struggling. It's squad, man. J Young J, however you wanna say. My nigga Dice. Chop. Get him.
Come on, like I can't.
It's going on the book.
Listening to you, it was like it fucked me up. I was listening to you, I wasn't thinking.
I got another 5 to 6 bars for you to come back in. So thank the son. We up on the block, shoot guns, shoot shots. We don't give a fuck about you. Yeah, you know we got bad bitches over here and they drinking Ciroc. And she love to fucking slob on the cock. I don't give a damn my do's and your knots. Hard shit talk about your nose and your don'ts, but I'm on the block, nigga get stoned like I know I'm fly like AI. Back in the day and I spray eye, kicking the clip and they know that your bitch she come around and she like lay eye. And she come back around here and she later, let the later. And she say she suck there now and later. Don't really matter, she say I'm so sweet and she loving the cream like ho the mayor. I'm been on the block. And you know major and paper, don't give a shit about y'all. You talking about your database to play up. If you talk about me on the block, you know I got ambitions in that pistol. Pop, they're also terrific. Nigga, why you hate? I don't give a shit about you, I'm great. Over here getting pie and I'm getting cake. And all y'all niggas can't even get an eighth. Oh damn, yeah, you know we got weight. We don't give a shit, nigga, what you really wanna taste. Talk shit, goddamn, when we up on the block, cause you mad cause you niggas can't even catch a taste. But the niggas punch the brakes, so I told you having nightmares today. But you know what we do on the block right now, so them dreams we will chase. Talk a lot of shit, but hold on, man, then the rules meant to break. So we hitting the block and we talking this shit, but we do what we say.
Yeah.